Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the more network settings, portable hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can switch your hotspot. Here you can change its name. Here you can select its security protocol. Here you can change its password. You can set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. Here you can change its AP band. You can reset its OOB settings. And you can set the maximum amount of connections here. You can also manage connected and blocked users if somebody is connected, but as you can see, nobody is connected to my network. So this feature is disabled. And you can also switch hotspot here in the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.